Florida Attorney General James Uthmeier was standing next to DeSantis as he was signing those bills. He joins us now. Attorney General, thank you so much for joining us. So talk to me about why this is so important.
It's important because we've got to back law enforcement and put bad guys away. It's common sense. It's not that complicated. Here in Florida, we've got record crime lows, 50% more prosecutions, 30% more convictions, a record 1,700 child predators behind bars just in the last year. And these new pieces of legislation will give us enhancements and new tools to prosecute dangerous criminals. People that hurt law enforcement will go away for much longer sentences. This all keeps us the safest state in the country to raise a family.
Yeah, your state is also taking legal action against TikTok, suing social media platform in an attempt to enforce Florida's 2024 law, and that restricts social media access for children. Now, y'all say that TikTok allegedly deceives parents and then exposes kids to these harmful content on the apps. And you say that TikTok is liable to pay potentially billions of dollars in damages. How can you prove that?
Sure. Well, we have strong evidence to support our arguments that A, they've told parents this is safe for kids, and B, it's not. We have dozens and dozens of examples of kids being addicted to this application. We know that they use algorithms to make it addictive, push notifications, unlimited scrolling, videos that self-start. All of these things keep kids glued to their screens for many hours a day, and we see correlation with self-harm, depression, mental health issues, eating disorders, and in the worst of cases, many child predators using the application, having access to kids. It's wrong. It breaks Florida law. Teenagers are not allowed to be on this app without parental approval in the state of Florida, and we're going to hold them accountable.
I want to go to this story now. Sports Illustrated reporting that MLB, Major League Baseball, warning 3 Giants pitchers after wearing Bible verses on their caps during a recent Pride game night. You say the MLB will be hearing from you soon. So again, they were, as part of the league requirements, they have to have this Pride logo. And then they wrote in a Bible verse there. They're now possibly facing fines and other issues from the MLB. Do you think that this is a form of religious discrimination? And why are you taking up this cause?
Well, it very well may be, and that's why we're going to investigate. Businesses, they do have some First Amendment rights. They can set uniform policies, but if they are disproportionately enforcing these policies to hurt Christians, that is wrong, and it's not going to be tolerated here in the state of Florida. We do have Major League Baseball teams here. We want to know how broad these rules go, what their policies truly are, and if they are indeed silencing Christian speech. We know in 2020 they changed the rules to enable BLM and social justice messaging. Players have cited that they've written on hats and socks before, memorializing 9/11, the deaths of loved ones. They don't step up and say anything. But when it comes to a Bible quote, something talking about life, creation, redemption, they won't let that, yet they're pushing these rainbow flags, LGBT, trans messaging on the players. This potentially is discriminatory, and it might just break Florida law. Yeah, so I'm always going to fight for what's right, no matter what.
I wear a cross. What's to stop them from saying, well, you can't wear a cross anymore, you know?
Another quick question. Your state, Florida, my state, Texas, we're both seeing huge numbers of people and businesses moving into the states. I'm just curious about the voter base there. Are you finding people who are like-minded, the law and order people moving into your state, or are they trying to change it?
They're coming here because we enforce the law. We hear from businesses every day. They're leaving New York. They're leaving Pennsylvania because they know we support law enforcement. And if somebody's engaging in retail theft or these organized teen events where leftist organizations are paying to cause violence and riots, we shut it down. We don't stop. We don't wait. We take quick action. We don't want people to get hurt here in Florida. And I think businesses like that certainty.
All right. Florida Attorney General James Uthmeier, thanks so much for your time today. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Information. Truth is freedom. Is Newsmax. It's real news for real people.